All right, changing the rear brake on the Land Rover LR3 2008. So this is pretty much the same thing for an older year or newer year of a Land Rover. I think they made to about LR4, pretty much the same thing here on the brake assembly. So basically, I did able to get the old rotor out. Look, there's some grinding here. Surface is very bad on the inside. I noticed one of the caliper pin were pretty much shot, so it's give up one of the side. So pretty much here's I ordered a new caliper, kind of a OEM used caliper from eBay. You can get it off for about 50 bucks. So this one is a good working caliper. Got the new pads in, so I'm going to switch out this old caliper, which is the housing cylinder. It's not pushing in anymore, so it's stuck or seizing inside this hydraulic compartment here. So I probably have to take out the screw and then just replace the whole entire housing cylinder with the new one, and pretty much just mount in that caliper bracket back in since it was one of the pin got stuck. So we got the new parts here on the rotor. So there's the rear rotor. Looks like it is made from Detroit axle. So I got just the rear one. Come up with all the parts, the bracket, and it's actually come with the front pad as well. So there's the front pads and the bracket. We'll deal with that later. For now, just gonna go ahead and replace just the rear pads. It's come on both sides, left and right, to get this car back on the road. As of now, we'll go ahead and get that replaced.